Okay, welcome to our educational tutorial about Roblox graphics. We're going to make a handy little thumbnail demo, and it'll be a lot of fun. If you feel like I'm moving too quickly, you can pause the video at any point. This lesson is quite simple and doesn't require Blender. All you need is Roblox Studio and a helpful little tool called Photopea. First off, you want to insert the model that I've linked in the description. Then, open the model and shift the skybox to the lighting folder. Then, you can insert a character and pose it however you'd like. I am working on a character posing video, but till that one comes out, I recommend checking out some free models for references. Simply search GFX pose in the toolbox and you should find some good ones. Now, take your character and place it in front of the light. If the light is too bright, go to the properties and decrease the brightness as you see fit. Congrats! You've successfully completed the setup of this GFX. Once you've done that, select all of your objects and make sure they are anchored. Then, click the play button. Once you load in, press Shift+P to enable free cam, and move your camera over to your character. Position the camera so that the character has good lighting. Then, press Windows plus Shift plus S to take a snip. Or, you can open the snipping tool. After that, save your screenshot and close Roblox Studio. Next up, open photopea.com on your preferred browser. Personally, I use the app. Download the thumbnail pack made by two Bueller brothers and insert that in. After loading, you will see something like this. Then, insert your render wherever you saved it, and it should look like this. Then, click the Magic Wand tool and while holding Shift, click the green screen part. Make sure your image is selected. Then, press the Delete key to get rid of the green screen. Now, to get rid of the green glow on the character, double-click the image and enable inner shadow and customize it however you'd like. You can also add inner glow to make it brighter. Feel free to change the opacity however you want. If you want, you can also add a stroke to it. Make sure to press OK after you're done. Go to Edit, then Free Transform to resize your image. Drag one of the corners to make it bigger. Then, position the character however you'd like. Now, you can add a background for your thumbnail. You can also use the backgrounds provided in the pack itself. Make sure whichever background you insert, it is in the background folder. I am using a sky background and I will add the satin filter to make it darker. To make the character stand out more, I will then add the outer glow filter. Congratulations! You are now done with your character. Now, using the text tool, type and resize your text as you see fit. I will put the text file in the description for download. To make the text stand out more, double-click the text layer and add a stroke. You can turn down the opacity of the stroke to make it blend in. Then, you can add an outer glow to highlight it even more. You can also consider coloring the text depending on your background. Remember, if the background is light, make the text color dark and vice versa. Make sure to resize the sunburst in the background by going to the sunburst folder and free transforming it to point at the main character. You can also mess around with the other stuff in the pack. And there you have it. You have created your thumbnail. To export it and save it, click File, then Export, then PNG, and rename it to whatever you would like. Make sure the quality is on 100% and save it.
And now, folks, it's time to say goodnight. We sincerely appreciate your patronage and hope we've succeeded in bringing you an enjoyable evening of entertainment. Please drive home carefully and come back again soon. Good night.